Jeremiah 27. Today we are going to have some tutorials in mathematics. We are going to solve a question in angle between two vectors. So we are going to find the angle between two vectors. We are going to find the angle between two vectors. So let's go right ahead to solve the given problem. But before that, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'm going to be notified on my next video. So let's go right away to solve the given problem. It says find the angle between this one, two vectors, vector A and vector B. And vector A was given to us as what? 2i vector plus 2j vector minus k vector. And what? Vector B says what? Is what? 6i vector minus 3j vector plus what? Plus 2k vector. So let's find the angle between the two vectors immediately. Solution, right? I get it. So let theta be the angle between vector A and vector B. Let theta be the angle between vector A and what? And vector B. So now for us to find the angle between vector A and vector B, we have a formula that we are going to apply. And the formula is cos theta equals to the dot product of what? Vector A and vector B all over the modulus of vector A and what? And vector B. So this is the formula to use. So let's apply the formula to find the angle between vector A and vector B. Okay? Let's start with the dot product. The dot product of vector A and vector what? The dot product of what? Vector A and vector B. So now, what is vector A? Okay, we have dot product of what? Vector A and vector B. Now, instead of this A is what? We have what? 2i vector plus 2j vector minus what? Minus k vector, right? Dot vector B, which is what? This, right? So it's what now? 6i vector minus 3j vector plus 2k vector. Have you seen that? So mind you, we have a rule that says what? I vector dot what? I vector is equals to what? 1. J vector dot j vector is equals to 1. Are you getting me? K vector dot k vector is equals to what? Is equals to 1. So having known this, let's go right ahead to solve the given problem. So, having known that, what do we have now? 2i vector multiplied by what? 2i vector. I getting in is what? Is what? 12 is equals to what? 12. 2 times 6 is what? 12. I dot I is what? 1. So, none of that means we have what? 12 multiplied by 1 is what? 12. So 2i dot 6i is what? 12. So mind you, if you see use 2i to multiply minus 3j and what? 2k to give you 0, because j dot k is equals to what? 0. And we have what? I vector dot what? J vector is equals to 0. K dot I equals to 0. I dot k vector is what? Equals to 0. So we only need to what? Use this to multiply the first one, use the second one to multiply the second one, use this to multiply what? The third one. I guess if we still use this to multiply this two, mind when we use this first one to multiply this, when we multiply this also to what? To give us what? 0. I don't know whether I get it. Okay? Let me show you what I mean. So let's start with this one. We have what? 2i1 vector multiplied by what? This, right? Multiplied by 6i vector minus 3j vector plus 2k what? Vector and we have what? Plus 2j vector. Also we multiply what? Multiply this vector, right? 6I vector minus 3j vector plus 2 what? Plus 2k vector, right? We also have what? Minus k vector. We multiply what? This vector. 6I vector minus 3j vector plus what? 2k vector. So, having done this, let's go right ahead to solve the question. Let's go right ahead to solve the question. Okay, you're going to agree with me that the dot product of what? Of A and B is what? Is what? We have 2I multiplied by what? 6I, which is what? 12. 2I multiplied by minus 3j is what? 0. Why? Because I told you I dot j is what? 0. I getting it? So we have what? Plus. We have minus 0. 2I multiplied by what? Plus 2k is what? Plus 0. I getting it? So what do we have? We have plus 2j vector multiplied by what? 6I is what? Is what? Is 0. I getting it? 2j multiplied by what? Minus 3j is what? Minus 6. I getting it because what? We have j and j, right? So we have what? 2j multiplied by what? 2k is what? Is 0 because we have j and j. And j and k, right? J multiplied by k in vector is what? 0. So we have what? 2j multiplied by what? Plus 2k is what? Plus 0. So what do we have next? We have minus k multiplied by what? 6I is what? Minus 0. Minus k multiplied by what? Minus 3j is what? Minus as minus is plus, right? But k multiplied by j is what? 0. Okay, dot j is what? 0 in what? In these vectors. So what next do we have? We have minus k vector multiplied by what? 2k vector, which is what? Minus 2. I get it now. So this is so A dot B is what? We have 12 minus 0 minus 0 minus 0 has 1. What do you have next? You have what? Minus 6. And we have what? Minus 12. So if you do it correctly, 12 minus 6 is what? 6, right? Then we have what? Minus 2. 6 minus 2 is what? Is what next do we have? We have A dot B. A dot B equals what? 4, right? So we said what? We say therefore A dot B equals what? 4. Now having done that, let's find the modulus of A. The next thing we'll do what? Find the modulus of A. The modulus of A. And what was A? A was given to us. Okay, the modulus of A, which is what? Which is represented as what? It's represented as what? This. So let's find the modulus of what? Let's find the modulus of what? A. So now A was given to us as what? A was given to us as 2I vector plus 2j vector minus what? K vector. So having done this, let's find the modulus of what? The modulus of A. Now the modulus of A, which is represented as what? This is equal to now the square root of 2I. This is how we find the modulus of A. 2I vector what? Square plus 2j vector square plus k plus minus k vector square. So have you seen that now? So let's go right ahead to simplify it further. So we have what? The modulus of A. Now this one is interpreted as what? 2I square means what? 2 squared, the first thing, and what? I vector 1 square. What else do we have? We have plus 2j square means what? 2 square first, and what? J vector 1 square. We also have plus minus k squared is what? Minus k multiplied by what? Minus k, or minus k dot minus k. So we have what? The modulus of a, the modulus of a is equal to what? 2 square means what? 2 times 2, which is what? 4. I square means what? Means I dot I. And I dot I is what? 1 in what? In vectors. We have what? Plus. We have also what? 2 square, which is what? 2 multiplied by 2, which is what? 4. J dot J is what? 1. I told you. Which is what now? J square means what? J square means what? J dot J, which is what? 1. Are you getting me? So, okay, we have done for this I square, which means what? I dot I, which is what? 1. So that's how we do this and do what? Get this one. So what then? Let's proceed further. We have what? Plus minus k vector dot minus k vector is equal to what? Minus multiplied minus is what? Plus k dot k is what? 1 plus 1, which is what? The same thing as 1. So we have what? Minus k vector dot 1 minus k is what? 1. So having done that, the modulus of a equals to 4 times 1 is what? 4 plus 4 times 1 is what? 4 plus 1 plus 1. 4 plus 4 plus 1 is what? Is what? 9. So we have what? The square root of 9. And the square root of 9 is what? Is 3. I get me? So the modulus of a therefore is equals to what? Is equals to 3. So let's go right ahead to find the modulus of b. Let's find the what? The modulus of b. So make sure when you are solving questions in mathematics, make sure you get them step by step. Please do well subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have not done that, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'm going to be notified on my next video. So and that's the little appreciation you're going to do for me, so that because of the knowledge you are enjoying or you are getting from me. So let's go right ahead to find the modulus of b. The modulus of b. Modulus of b, right? The modulus of b, that is what? B. This is how we represent what? Modulus. So the modulus of b. So let's go right ahead to what? To find the modulus of b. And b was given to us as what? B was given to us as what? 6i vector minus 3j vector plus 2k vector. Have you seen that now? So this was b. 6i vector minus 3j vector plus 2k vector. So let's go right ahead to find the modulus of b. So we have what? The modulus of b equals to what? The square root of what? This. We have the square root of what? 6i vector square plus, I get me, we separate by what? Plus, and we have what? Minus 3j vector what? Square plus 2k plus what? 2k vector what? Square. Have you seen that now? So we have the modulus of b equals to the interpretation of this means what? Means 6 squared, I get me, I vector what? Square, 6i squared, this square for what? Both of them. We also have what? Plus minus 3 squared, j what? Square. I get me, because the square for what? Both of them. I get me now. So that is it. So what next? We have what? Plus 2k square means what? 2 square and what? K vector what? Square. Have you seen that now? So having seen that, let's proceed further. Let's pursue what? Further in solving the problem. So we have what? the modulus of b equals to 6 square means what? 6 square means what? 6 multiplied by 6, which is what? 36. I square in vector is what? 1. That is what? I dot I equals to what? 1. That's how you do that. That is what? 1. So we have what? Plus minus 3 we have what? Minus 3 square. Minus 3 square means what? Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, which is what? 9. I get it now. So we have what next? We have j vector dot what? J vector, which is what? 1. I told him vector is what? 1. So we have what? Plus 2 square means what? 2 multiplied by 2, which is what? 4. K square. K square. K vector what? K vector square means what? K vector dot what? K vector, which is what? 1. I get it, which is what? 1 in what? Vectors. So having known that, let's proceed further. So you're going to agree with me that the modulus of b is equals to 36 multiplied by 1 is what? 36 plus 9 multiplied by 1 is what? 9. 4 multiplied by 1 is what? 4. So we have 1 plus 4. We have the modulus of b is what? 36 plus 9 is what? Is what now? Is 45. So we have 45 plus what? Plus 4. So 45 plus 4 is equals to what? Is equals to 49. So therefore, we have what? The modulus of b equals what? 49, which is what? Equals to 7. So the modulus of b equals to what? Equals to 7. So at least that we are gotten the modulus of a, the modulus of b, and we did what? We find the dot product of what? A and b. Now we can apply it and find what? The angle between a and b. Let's go right ahead to solve that. Let's go right ahead to solve that. Let's go right ahead to solve that. So let's apply the formula. The formula says what? Cos theta equals to what? A dot b vector all over what? Modulus of a and modulus of b. So we have what? Cos theta equals to a dot b. A dot b, we got it as what? 4, right? And what? The vectors of the modulus of a, the modulus of a, we got it as what? 3, and the modulus of b, we got it as what? 7. So you say 1 multiplied by 7. So we have what? 4 all over what? 3 multiplied by 7 is what? Is what? 21. So we have what? 4 all over 21, right? So therefore, we have cos theta equals to what? 4 all over 21, right? And you're going to agree with me. Cos theta equals to 4 divided by 21. When you do that correctly, you're going to get what as what? 0.1905. 0.1905. I get it now. So if you have done that, we are going to get cos theta equals to what? The cos inverse of what now? Of 0.1905. If you did correctly, cos theta must be equals to what? Do it now. Must be equal to 79 degrees. So cos theta, theta rather, equals to 79 degrees. Theta equals to what? The cos inverse of 0.1905. Theta equals to what? 79 degrees. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure you like my videos and drop comment in the comment section. Also do well to share my videos to your friends in the social media so that they're going to also watch it and to solve their math problem. Also do well to watch it on and on in case you are going to write exam. Watch the videos on and on so that you will make sure that you are able to do it correctly. So subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I'm going to notify my next post, and do well to invite others to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that it also help them in their own career. So this is a little appreciation you're going to do to me so that I'm very happy, and of course I will make sure to energize me to solve more problems in mathematics and upload so that you will solve your daily math problem in internal external examination or in school examination whether school examination, high institution, secondary school examination, any examination you you're going to come across, it's very easy for you to solve it. Do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.